In the early 20th century, the world was on the brink of a technological revolution. While humanity's understanding of science and mathematics had progressed, the tools to fully unleash the power of computation had not yet been invented. This era would lay the groundwork for the creation of machines that could not only compute, but also potentially think, giving rise to artificial intelligence. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, revolutionized the concept of computation with his groundbreaking idea, the Turing machine. Introduced in 1936, this abstract device could simulate any mathematical computation, forming the theoretical foundation for modern computers. Turing's work showed that a machine could follow a set of instructions to process data, setting the stage for the development of the programmable computer. In 1950, Turing proposed a thought experiment that would become a cornerstone of artificial intelligence, the Turing test. In this test, a human judge would converse with both a machine and another human. If the judge could not distinguish between the machine and the machine could be said to exhibit intelligent behavior. This idea posed a bold question: could machines think? Meanwhile, physical computers were being developed. In 1945, the ENIAC, one of the first general-purpose electronic computers, was completed. With its room-sized machinery and vacuum tubes, it could solve complex mathematical problems at a speed previously unimaginable. A few years later, the UNIVAC became the first commercial computer, changing the landscape of data processing and setting the stage for widespread computational use. Turing's idea of the universal machine, a machine that could perform any computable task, was radical. It envisioned a machine that wasn't limited to a single task, but could adapt to any computation as long as it followed the right instructions. This concept would become the backbone of modern computing and a fundamental idea for the future development of AI. While Turing laid the groundwork, Hungarian-American mathematician John von Neumann played a pivotal role in shaping the structure of modern computers. In the 1940s, von Neumann introduced the concept of stored program architecture. This design allowed computers to store instructions in memory and retrieve them as needed, enabling the versatility of modern digital computers. Both Turing and von Neumann saw the potential of these machines far beyond number crunching. They imagined computers not just as tools for solving problems, but as machines that could eventually simulate human intelligence. As early computers grew more powerful and versatile, the idea of artificial intelligence moved from theoretical thought to a tangible possibility. From the minds of visionaries like Alan Turing and John von Neumann, the foundations for artificial intelligence were laid. As computers became faster and more capable, the dream of creating machines that could think, learn, and reason was born. What began as theoretical work in the 1930s and 1940s continues to shape our world today, with artificial intelligence growing ever closer to achieving the very goals these pioneers set out to explore. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history. Stay tuned for more on the fascinating evolution of computing and artificial intelligence, with Video 3, The Dawn of AI Research, the 1950s to 1970s. We welcome any comments, both good and not so good. So like or subscribe, it helps the channel to make more content.